wasn't recording. I was not recording. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another buy or buy. Now the product we are going to be testing out is Becca's Backlight Primer Filter. Now, before I get into the review part of this video, I'm going to be inserting a clip in 3, 2, 1. Now let's get to the review part of this primer right here. Now, I'm going to be giving you guys pros and cons on this guy like I normally do. Let's start with the cons because I want to end on a good note. So the cons of this bad boy is that he is $39, which is it's a lot for a primer, especially because you're going to be using it every single day. It's going to go fast, so $39 on a primer, kind of expensive if you ask me, especially because I'd rather spend $39 on hot Cheetos than a primer, but hey, to each their own. Another con that I have about this primer is it's more on the dewy side, meaning it has a dewy finish. So once you put it on, you have that like nice, beautiful glow, which is amazing if you're into that sort of thing. But unfortunately for me, I am very, very oily. So I try to avoid anything dewy, I ain't about that life. I'm not going to get near you if you have the word dewy in your packaging or anything like that. I did not read that when I picked this guy up, so kind of caught me by surprise. Let's move on to the pros of this guy. So the pros that I would have to give him is obviously packaging. Look at that. This is pretty much like, hey, I got money. Ooh. Like, the packaging is beautiful. I don't expect anything less from Becca. I mean, come on. It's so sophisticated. It's glass, which is awesome. It's pretty much like if you leave it on your bathroom countertop and you have friends come over, they'll be like, ooh, you got money. Ooh, she's doing well for herself. Ooh, she got an expensive primer. Another pro about him would have to be the smell. It gives you a very clean smell. It's scented, but it's not like Bath and Body Works lotions and anything like that kind of scented. It's more on the cleaner side. I can't put my finger on it, but I can just tell you it smells clean and it smells good. So it's like, you want to smell clean? Another pro about this guy would have to be the amount that's in here. And by that, I mean a little goes a long way. I only did about 1.5 pumps of this guy and I used it all over my face and it did its job. It was awesome. I didn't have to go more than that. It applied evenly. It looks beautiful. So overall, is this primer a buy or buy? I'm a little torn because it's like, I want to say I want to buy it, but my inner self is saying buy primer, buy Becca. Oops. I am going to unfortunately have to say bye to the primer only because it is $39 and that's a little bit too much for a primer. I mean, no offense, this, like, it looks beautiful. Like, I'm looking at myself on camera. I'm like, ooh, who is this? I really like it, but I do not like that it is a dewy finish, so I had to put more powder on my face just to get that matte finish that I love because I am oily. But I mean, if you love that glowy look on your face and you prefer dewy over matte, I would say buy this primer. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this buy or bye. If you guys did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you have any other products you'd like me to buy or bye. Until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.